Good morning students. Let's start our new lesson. Lesson number 1.6, the climate in our country. Before starting our lesson, you should know what do you mean by weather and climate. So weather is the condition of atmosphere of a place at a particular time, whereas climate is the weather condition of an area over a long period of time. You can see here that it is depends on the place at a particular time. Here in the picture you can see somewhere it is raining, somewhere it is cloudy, and somewhere it is shiny. Okay, means hot is there. So that depends on the condition of atmosphere of a place at a particular time and can change rapidly. Like in the morning it is clear sky and in the evening it will be a cloudy, like that. Same way, climate is the weather condition of an area over a long period of time and it influences the lifestyle of people, that like their living style, people used to how they live, their clothes, their food, their living style, like that. It depends, and mostly it depends on yearly temperature or average amount of rainfall or snow, like that. The climates depend on that. So now let's start reading. India has many different landforms. There are high mountains, deep valleys, plains, plateaus, and even deserts. Some places are high above the sea level, others are very low. Some places are close to the sea, others are far away from the sea. Some places are rocky, others are sandy. Some places have high rainfall, others have very low rainfall. Some places have floods, others have famines. Some places are extremely hot, others are very cold. Thus we see that in India the climates differ from place to place. So you know that India is a home to an extraordinary variety of climatic regions, as it has many different landforms. Like somewhere you will see high mountain is there, somewhere deep valleys, somewhere plains, plateaus, and even desert. Some places are high above the sea levels and others are low. Some places are close to the sea, like the coastal areas are there, western coastal area and eastern coastal areas, that is very close to the sea, and others are far away from the sea, like you can see Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, northern plains, they are far away from the sea. Okay, some places are rocky, others are sandy, like Rajasthan area, that is sandy area. Some places have high rainfall and others have very low rainfall, and you will see some places it will be a very high rainfall and some places there is no rainfall, like that. We have different climatic condition at different places. Some places you will have floods, other have famines. Some places are extremely hot and others are very cold, like in you will see in the northern side it is cold full time, but when you come to the middle area, center side, it is hot, mostly it is hot. Thus we see that India climates differ from place to place, and the nation's climate is strongly influenced by the Himalayas and the Thar Desert, as it differs from place to place and depends on following factors like distance from equator, height above the sea level, and distance from the sea or mountain, that affect the climatic condition of our country. Now, next paragraph. However, everywhere we have almost the same cycle of season. It is the cycle of summer, rains, autumn, winter and spring. Before starting our topic season, you should know what do you mean by season. The seasons of the earth occur because of the rotation of the earth on its axis and revolution around the sun. You can see here, okay, that its planet is there and that revolves, rotation of the earth on its axis and revolution around the sun. And we have the same cycle of seasons here. We have 4 seasons, mainly we are having 3 seasons. We say summer season, rainy season and winter season. But here we will study about the summer season, rainy season, autumn season, winter season and the spring season. And we have the same cycle of season. Okay. So let's begin with the summer season. India is mainly a hot country. For most part of the year, the sun shines very hot. We call it the summer season. In the northern plains, summer starts with the month of April. At noon, the hot sun shines overhead. In May, it gets even hotter. June is the hottest month. Hot winds called the Lu and dust storms begin to blow in this month. In the desert areas, the heat becomes almost unbearable. However, even in summer, the northern mountains remain cool and pleasant. Some peaks even remain covered with snow. In summer, the days are longer than the nights. The coastal areas are in the south are not so hot. It is because this part of the country is surrounded by the sea and the winds coming from the sea keep the coastal areas rather cool. So, about the summer. You know that India is mainly a hot country. Most part of the year the sun shines very hot and we call it as a summer season. In summer, you know that it is in the month of March, April and May. It falls in the March, April and May. And at this time the sun shines very hot and we call this time as the summer season. And in the northern plains, summer starts with the month of April. From month of March only it starts. And the sun shines overhead. Okay. It gets even hotter when as the month passes. In May time it is very much hot and June is the hottest month and the hot winds called the Lu and the dust storm begin to blow in this month. When you are going outside at the time of summer season, your parents used to say, don't go outside, otherwise you will suffer from Lu and all. That is called the hot wind. If you go out, you will suffer from hot wind, that we call the Lu. And in desert area, the heat becomes almost unbearable. You know that desert area is all time very hot. And at the summer season, it become almost unbearable. The northern mountains remain cool and pleasant. Some peaks even remain covered with snow. You know that northern mountain, that is the Himalayas, always remain covered with snow. And in summers, the days are longer than the nights. Summertime, you have the days longer and the nights are short. The coastal areas are in the south are not so hot. You know the coastal areas are near to the sea, so that is not so hot as it is surrounded by the sea, and the winds coming from the sea keep the coastal areas rather cool. You know that in summer season The area which is very hot is plain, plateau and the desert area. And the less hot, that is your coastal area, because it is surrounded by the sea and the wind coming from the sea keep these areas rather cool. And where there is pleasant temperature, that is the hilly areas, as it is covered with snow. Now the rainy season. By the end of June, it starts raining. Winds called the monsoons begin to blow from sea to the land. They come from the southwest direction. Since they come from the sea, they are full of moisture. They cause good rainfall in many parts of the country. The rain starts first in the south along the western coast. By the month of July, the monsoons cover the whole of the country. The northeastern parts of the country have the heaviest rainfall. Mosaram in Meghalaya gets the heaviest rainfall in the world. However, there are some areas in the country that have very low rainfall. It hardly ever rains in many parts of Rajasthan and Kutch. By the month of August, the rainy season comes to an end. So, you know that rainy season starts from the month of June to September. And by the end of June, it starts raining. And the winds call the monsoon. So, first you should know what do you mean by monsoon. Monsoon is a seasonal reversing wind due to change in precipitation. You know that sunlight hit up the land very fast and water very slowly. So the wind direction is from high pressure to low pressure. That is high pressure in the sea area and low pressure to land area. And it took atmospheric pressure from sea to land and form clouds. And this cloud cannot retain the moisture that is coming from the sea, and that cause rainfall. That is the monsoon. And they come from the southwest direction. You can see here in the map that it starts from the southwest. This is your south and going to the west side, and till and cover the entire part of our country. As they come from the southwest direction, you can see here southwest means they come from the sea and they are full of moisture, and they cause good rainfall in many parts of the country. You can see here the rain first starts in the south along the western coast. Here, that is in the western coast. And by the month of July, and gradually they cover the entire part of our country. Okay. The northeastern part of the country have the heaviest rainfall. You can see here that is the northeastern part of the country. This receive the heaviest rainfall, and Mosaram in Meghalaya receives the heaviest rainfall in the world. But there are some area in our country that have very low rainfall, like Rajasthan. You can see hardly here it rains, and many parts of the Rajasthan and Kutch even didn't receive any rainfall. And by the month of August, the rainy season comes to an end. Here you can see in the map the blue color shows you the heavy rainfall. Where you see the blue color, that receives the heavy rainfall. and the green color, that is your medium rainfall, and the yellow color is that full is your low rainfall. Okay, and the arrow mark is your wind direction. You can see here arrow mark, this, that is your wind direction. And by the month of September, that is in the when the winter season start, it comes backward, that is the northeast side. That's why we hear sometime that receives the heaviest rainfall. That time floods came, and many parts of that coastal area have floods because it reverse. Okay, that is about your rainy season. That's all for today. Thank you.